normally do. I always, I give myself a mark,
Okay.
and is that right there, right, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we do this little guy. This is like skin, because his skin tends to get. Okay. All right. So now, are you video?
Mhm.
Okay.
So, when you're using the arm, you want the transmitter part to be on top. So, thumbprint downward. Okay, when you're on, if you use the stomach or the back or his butt, thumbprint's always going to go towards the spine or the belly button. Okay, so the transmitter's on the outside. We want the transmitter on top because the transmitter is the heavy part. So if we have it on the bottom, it may pull out the sensor. So this is why we're putting the transmitter on top.
So when we do it, since we do it on his arm,
Right, you'll do, thumbprint will be facing down. It'll be this way, so the transmitter will go on top.
And just squeeze the two
Okay,
green things.
yeah.
but
Right.
this needs to go.
In that red area that you
Okay, so,
just did.
okay.
Okay, and then you'll press firmly down. Don't press too hard so you don't get the bounce back on the skin.
Sorry, but this is a little,
Take it off.
Hmm?
You
I'm a little concerned, yeah. Can you take your shirt off? Because,
can you close the door?
Yes.
okay. All right. So I feel like this is too high.
Yes, I
It's,
think
it's
so
too
too.
high.
Did you numb it at a bad place?
I did, because I don't feel
Well, don't you
like.
normally do it over here?
No,
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 no.
it's too
It should
bony.
be.
Can I,
Yeah.
can
Yeah,
I put it here,
Yes.
Jack?
Jack, do you feel that?
Is it, how close is it to the,
It's a half an inch.
Here.
She's got a
Here,
numbing. She's
hold
got
on.
numbing.
There you go. Okay,
that is cold.
okay, and now we have to wipe it off. Thank you, that's perfect. That's not really so wet.
Do you need me to wet another one?
Okay. So, here, right? Right here?
Yeah, now I don't feel it.
Yeah.
Okay, one, two, and just
So
press?
push both of them together.
Can I hold his arm like that?
Yes. You don't want to be too tight because you don't want to get the bounce back off the skin.
Right, don't squeeze his arm too tight
Yeah,
there.
you can like bring it, lift
Okay.
it up a little. That's
Okay.
perfect.
So now what?
Press both green buttons together. Okay.
Did you feel that, Jack?
Okay, and then you can pull straight out. Okay.
Jack, did that
Excellent.
hurt?
Mm-hmm.
It did hurt.
A little bit, not terribly, but.
Alright,
Hold
don't go
on.
anywhere,
Not
you
done
still
yet.
got the
We're not
needle.
done.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Alright. So what you're going to do is hold on the sensor right here and pull the needle straight out. So you're gonna just put 2 fingers loosely here and pull straight up.
just hold and pull?
Yes.
Okay,
So the needle retracted.
okay.
I'll take that. What you're gonna do is now this back flip right here, you're gonna pull upwards so you can smooth the adhesive onto his skin.
It's not pulling. There we go. Okay. So, and then,
Just smooth that up.
okay. Yeah,
So now we're going, the tegaderms. I'll grab them.
I'm sorry, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.